Hey guys, what is good? Welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you so much for joining me here, and I want to start this off by apologizing. This video is way late and I'm actually gonna blame StockX on this one. I ordered this way back before it even released. I had an early review planned. However, you know what it's like with StockX. 2 weeks later and we finally get them in. So I literally would have got them quicker if I just ordered them off of Adidas. But that does not take away from the fact about how excited I am for today's pair of sneakers. I know you guys are too. In fact, I haven't even unboxed them. I haven't seen them yet, so I'm itching to get started. So let's just do that. Today we're taking a look at the Yeezy 380 in this Calcite Glow colorway. Here we go, a StockX unboxing. Now, I bought this way before the release, I think about 2 weeks before these officially released. So I always feel a little bit weird about that, because how did that person get the pair before the release? It just makes me think a little bit. I'll show you the size tag so you can have a little look. It just says Calcite Glow. So I have such high expectations for this pair. I really, really do. Man, these are so nice. The Yeezy 380 in this Calcite Glow colorway. Right, before I get too excited, I'll show you what's in the box. You do get a spare pair of laces, and this comes in the same color that's on the shoe, so the all white, and because of course you're getting the infinity loop lacing system. So we're all definitely used to that by now. We're used to seeing these looped lacing systems. Some of you may be used to cutting them off. It just depends whether you like them or whether you just hate them. You know what, getting these in hand, they're actually freaking perfect. I'm gonna tell you something right now. Now, this may be a big statement, but I think this has got to be my favorite, not just Yeezy 380, because that's quite obvious, but my favorite Yeezy, okay, one of my favorite Yeezys of all time. I think this colorway is just so well done. It is clean, it is icy, and of course, we've got to talk about the elephant in the room. The fact that this shoe glows. A couple specifics about this shoe before I get ahead of myself. These released this weekend on October the 31st. Of course, that is Halloween, but they released for actually $20 up from what they used to be. So these released at $250. So an extra £20 here in the UK. These were $220 instead of the regular $200. I mean, I'm a little bit mad because I feel like it's a little bit unnecessary to charge us extra. But at the same time, I mean, if you like this shoe, it's definitely one you're willing to pay for. However, in terms of resale value, they're not doing great in terms of, like, they're not reselling for a lot at all. In fact, when I bought these 2 weeks before the release on StockX, I only paid £10 more than I would have paid if I just paid for the retail release. And on StockX right now, roughly speaking, you can get them for around about retail price. I remember the release, these actually sat around for quite a while, as it's just something about the 380 model which I personally don't really see. I mean, I can kind of see it's a mid-cut, there's a few awkward things about it, but to me personally, this colorway is so good, I thought it would kind of move out of the usual 380 trend that we've seen, with them all just being a shoe that people don't really want. So yes, it does glow in the dark, and you may think that's a little bit of a gimmick, but for me personally, yeah, I'm a little bit childish. I like things that glow, especially when it's a pair of shoes. This one, it glows a really intense green color. So the midsole glows quite powerfully. In fact, I used it in a dark room and you can kind of see your surroundings. It's almost like a flashlight. And then the upper glows as well. So, I mean, it's pretty much solid white. However, there is a very slight tinge to it. And of course, that's because of the glow treatment that they had to put on this. I'm not too sure whether that's literally glow knit or whether there was something else. I don't know how the hell they made this glow. But the glow looks fantastic, and I think, you know, anybody who does like it and does think that it is pretty cool, you're going to love this one. But anybody who just doesn't like things that glow, I mean, who the hell are you? But again, if you don't, you're probably not gonna like this one. Are getting a white and gray contrast, so around the ankle area, prime knit that you're getting, that's all in this very light gray color, and of course what I call the alien scratch on the side, which is the semi-translucent stripe, that comes in again a gray color. Now as for the general knit, like all 380s, it does have the mix knit, which kind of gives it a digi camo look. Of course, you already know with the Yeezy 380 you get a full length boost, which is arguably potentially even more comfortable than the Yeezy 350. I mean, I kind of can feel that, but I mean, it's so marginal, it's nothing crazy. At the end of the day, they're both extremely comfortable sneakers. As for sizing, comfortability, and all that good stuff, you want to go a half size up. Now, I've found that, I mean, a lot of Yeezys are kind of run a little bit small, specifically with the 380 and of course with the 350. My best recommendation is to half size up. But hey, that pretty much wraps it up for the Yeezy 380 in the Calcite Glow colorway. You guys know how much I like this. Let me know if you do as well down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for waiting on this video and coming through. I know there's a few of you who already let me know that you've been waiting on this. Thank you guys, I truly appreciate all of the support. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I will see you in the next one, but until then.